The Worksheets tab makes it easy to run structured maths practice straight from your projector. Questions are generated automatically from the topics you choose. Whether you're using a preset worksheet or building your own, they're always relevant to what you're teaching. To get started, click New Sheet, then Add an Activity. Select your topics, give your worksheet a title, and click Save as New. Then choose how many questions you'd like from the options on the left, and MathReady will generate a randomized set instantly. And because questions are randomized every time, you've always got a fresh set ready to go. Once your worksheet is ready, click Full Screen to display it on your projector so students can work through the questions without devices. Set a countdown timer to create a sense of pace and keep students on task, and click any question to reveal the answer when you're ready. To spread questions evenly across topics, click Shuffle Questions or Unshuffle Questions to group them by topic instead. And if you want to keep the practice going or revisit a topic, click New Questions to instantly generate a fresh set without leaving the page. Worksheets are a simple, flexible way to bring structured maths practice into any lesson, right in line with what you're already teaching.